The completely relaxed nature of space is the natural order of everything, no matter what description it might have, no matter what word is used to describe anything, no matter what label is applied, no matter how things are understood to be, all is totally free and totally pure by nature. Yesterday, I was out walking and I saw a building being built. And I noticed that the supports, the vertical supports for the building were metal rods that were wired together. And it just reminded me that the most important part of constructing a building of any kind is to have a good foundation. It's absolutely essential. In any kind of natural calamity, metal rods that are wired together won't offer much support. The foundation of everything, just as it is completely relaxed by nature. That's the foundation of everything. So to effort and strive to attempt to make it anything more than that in any way is absolutely futile. The restful essence of everything, just as it is super complete in and of itself. To relax in an entirely natural way reveals everything that needs to be known. It reveals that no matter what it is that it appears, us or anything else, it's all a wisdom appearance, perfect appearance of the natural order of everything, just as it is. Forever stainless speech does not need to rely on categories and systems. It is the concentrated essence of everything as it is. That's just what it communicates, nothing else. Unlike philosophies which rely on systems and categories, that which is forever stainless has no systems and categories, yet includes all as itself. Philosophies can point to something, yet they are distinct from the pivotal essence of stainless speaking and writing that strip bare the essence of everything, just as it is. Forever stainless speech is just the speech that we have always longed to hear, rather than being just another irritation and endless irritations. It's a tsunami of nectar, a tsunami, those big waves, that washes away all the conventional beliefs about everything, conventional beliefs about who we take ourselves to be, conventional beliefs about who we take others to be, conventional beliefs about what we need to rely on in order to be. So this makes it very simple. The completely relaxed nature of everything is the ground, the path, and the fruition all at once. Endless rivers of teachings flowing under one bridge. All in the essence of complete relaxation. Complete relaxation of body and mind. No need to jump up and grab something to describe it in any way. No need to establish any systems to know it better. Simply the restful love that is all there is. No matter how it's described or what its dictionary definition might be, its ultimate definition is always originally perfect love. Rings clear as a bell within everyone and everything. Total simplicity. Total and complete simplicity. Unimpeded simplicity. With absolutely no effort or striving. With nothing whatsoever needing to be done in any situation, no matter what it is.